Hello and welcome, Global Studies students. I am Mr. Santella, and I am very excited to be your teacher this year for Global Studies 9. It's going to be an exciting year. It's going to be a very different kind of year as we're moving into a distance learning type of environment, but I'm positive, optimistic that you guys are going to enjoy the class. You guys are going to kind of become sort of like time travelers this year. We're going to be going back, looking at the histories of some various civilizations and societies and cultures and countries and people around the world, learning a little bit about their histories and connecting it to what is going on with those countries and places and people today. So hopefully you'll get a little bit of a connection of cause and effect, why things in the world today are the way they are. Everything is a result of things that have happened beforehand. So being able to see those connections, sometimes you can kind of even begin to see where things are going to move in the future a little bit based on what's happened in the past and what's going on in the present. So, um, hoping you'll enjoy the class and very much looking forward to meeting all of you this year in Global Studies 9. See you soon.